Hey guys, James here with Sky's Limit Car Care, and today I'm going to show you how to restore your old, faded trim pieces using Solution Finish Trim Restore. So, if you guys suffer from really old faded plastics, vinyl, or even rubber on the exterior of your vehicle, this product will actually help you restore those pieces of your vehicle back to its original color. So we do offer this in both black and gray, in both 12-ounce sizes, and then the black we also offer a small 1-ounce size if it's something that you're just looking to do a single piece of trim with, or kind of test it out to see if it's the best for your vehicle. Product's super easy to use. We call it around the office like a vehicle Sharpie or a magic marker for your car, because it really does make a huge impact on those trim pieces. So we're gonna do a little demo about it. I'm gonna talk a little bit more about the product. It's like I said, super easy to apply. But yeah, we'll just kind of jump right into it, and I'll show you the difference between this old faded trim piece and what it looks like when we're done. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and do the demo on this old faded piece of back trim here. We're gonna be using the Solution Finish Black because that piece was originally black. So this is obviously, it's like a very dark dye. So we highly recommend using gloves on something like this. And in terms of application, you can really use kind of whatever you want, but we really recommend using something that's a little bit more disposable. Obviously, because it's on plastics, it doesn't have to be something super soft that you'd be putting on paint, but something that you still find is quality. So like we have these yellow applicators that work perfectly for this. A lot of the times, or I know myself personally, I have one of these designated for Solution Finish in my own detailing bag. And then just when it gets overused, I can just replace it with another inexpensive one. So we're gonna go ahead and open up this little 1-ounce bottle here. So it's really important for this product that you want to have a clean surface. So what we usually recommend doing on the actual trim piece is using like an APC. CarPro Multi-X is a great choice. That's what I personally did to prep this panel before this demo here. So you're going to want to make sure it's completely free, void of oils, anything like that. It's going to really ensure that you have the best bond with the actual Solution Finish. So the product, it's going to be dry to the touch within a few minutes after you apply, but we highly recommend that you wait at least 24 hours to put anything on top of it. We've had a lot of experience, or other people that have used this product before, that has no issue with putting a sealant or a protectant on top of it within or before that 24-hour period. It's just our recommendation to make sure that it gets a full cure time. So our favorite thing to top this product with is actually Ultima Tire and Trim Guard Plus. It lasts a couple of months. It just really works well with the darkening effect of the Solution Finish and offers you a really good protection on those plastic trim pieces. It really focuses on preventing UV damage, and it's going to get you the longest longevity out of the Solution Finish product. So we're going to go ahead and start it up. I'm just going to go ahead and shake up this bottle here, get it going. You really don't need a lot of this product too. Like I said, it's a very dark dye. Which I'll even show you here. You probably can't see much out of the bottle, but it is really dark, and you'll see that on the applicator when I apply it here. So I'm literally just gonna put my applicator right up to the bottle, tilt it on there, and like you can see, you can already get some of the product on the applicator. I'm gonna get a few little dots here. Just get a decent amount of this on the applicator. And this applicator isn't getting too saturated. I'm really just kind of putting like a surface level of this product onto this applicator. Because a lot does go a long way with this specific product. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with that. I'll probably use a little bit more in this demo, and I'll start here on this right side. But as you can see, there's like a lot of fading here. You can just tell that it's sun damaged. This piece is probably not the most damaged out of anything that I've seen, but you can still definitely tell that it's been out in the sun for a while. And especially here in Florida, you get a lot of that type of damage. So it's literally as easy as just kind of wiping it on the plastic with the applicator. Just really want to cover all aspects of it. And the cool thing about Solution Finish, a lot of people, what you might be thinking at home is, okay, well that trim piece is very close to your paint. So what if I get some of that Solution Finish onto your paint? It easily wipes off of paint. It's not going to stick, it's not going to stick on that surface like other products. So it's easily wiped around with a microfiber towel. We usually recommend just keeping like eraser or isopropyl alcohol on standby, just to kind of help with that. So as you can see already, I'm going to try to go to this little half mark here because I really did not use a lot of product on this applicator, and I've already gotten just about halfway over this trim piece, and you can already see this huge difference in restoring the old color of this faded trim piece. So already, if we just pause there and just look at the 50/50, you can tell, I mean, there's a considerable difference. So we're gonna go ahead and finish up the back half of this panel here. So unlike last time here, I can actually just go ahead and drip this on. Obviously, this is gonna saturate the pad a little bit more, so you have to be a little bit more careful with it. These yellow pads aren't the thickest, so it might, bleed through a little bit on the other end. But we're gonna go ahead and finish up this side panel, or the rest of this back panel here. Doing a little bit of overlap on the middle there. And obviously I have a lot more product on this applicator this time around, so it is literally just gliding on this back trim piece. And really just working fantastic. Super easy to use. I remember the first time that I used this product, I was just really stunned with, the easeability of it. My main concern was getting black ink all over my paint, but it really, I find it's really not an issue. All right, I guess I'll go over this side again. I have a little bit more product on my applicator. Gonna really focus on some of the nooks and crannies here. Trim piece has a little bit of texture. Alrighty, so we'll go ahead and put that down, and then here I have just this old shop rag. Well, not quite a shop rag, but a towel that I have determined will be used for solution finish. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe off any excess there, and like here you might be able to see there's a little bit of excess of the solution finish that came off on my paint, so I'm just going to make sure that I can just wipe that super easily off of the paint there. Let me flip to a clean corner here. And for this specific one, because I was pretty good with my accuracy here, I don't even have to use Car Pro Eraser. I'll just kind of clean up around the edges here. And boom. As you can tell from the results that we had in the beginning, it really does make a difference on your vehicle. And so like this isn't just used for trim pieces either. You can go ahead and use this on the actual rubber trim around your vehicle. A really popular area where this is used most often is the plastic piece that kind of connects your windshield to your hood. A lot of the times those pieces get extremely sun faded over time, and this product is excellent on those specific areas of the vehicle. So if you have any further questions about solution finish, feel free to comment below, ask us any further questions. Like I said, we offer the black in a little 1 ounce bottle. So if you're not ready to do your entire vehicle, you just want to give it a little try, or just have small trim pieces that you want to fix, that might be enough. We're going to have all the links to these products in the description, so you can feel free to check those out. And as always, let us know what you want to see next. So you guys have a great day.